the brown neck cape. She hatched out on 5/8, 2012. It's a little male. He's been DNA'd. He's absolutely a sweetheart. They call them apartment birds because they're quiet. What? What? Come here. He loves people. Okay. Hang on. He's just now learning how to fly, so that won't last long. They're extremely affectionate. They're kind of like an African gray without the attitude. They're just sweet. They're sweet. They're not loud, good talkers. They pick up great sounds. Anything they hear, they pick it up. Very observant little birds. They watch everything. Don't you? Don't you? I know. I know. I know.